third eye chakra clearing and repair. Imagine a double purple funnel that is symbolizing your third eye chakra. This is the image you'll be using to symbolize your third eye chakra. Step 1. Clear entities and attachments. Ask yourself if there are any entities or attachments targeting your third eye chakra. You may see images of critters or strange things on your funnel. Don't be freaked. Just ask your angels to please clear them, and you will notice that they disappear. Please, angels, clear any entities, attachments that are in, around, targeting my third eye chakra, front, center, back. Thank you. Step 2. Clearing energetic cords. Ask yourself if you have any cords on your third eye chakra while imagining your purple funnel. If you see any rope or vine-like cords, dissolve them with golden healing light. If they don't clear easily, ask for help from your angels. With your divine golden healing light, you can also use Reiki. Angels, please help clear that stubborn cord. Thank you. Here it goes. And the cords are clear. Step 3. Clear emotional energy blocks. Ask if you have any energy blocks in your third eye chakra. They may present as dark spots or chunks. Be sure to check the inside of your funnel and direct golden healing light or Reiki on energy blocks to dissolve. And just any little chunks or dark spots you might see anywhere on the inside or outside of your funnel, just introduce some Reiki or golden light and allow them to dissolve, and they will disappear. And again, you can ask your angels for help if you need. Step 4. Repair damage to chakra. Ask if you have any damage to your third eye chakra. Examine your funnel for spots that look smashed, torn, punctured. There are a lot of different ways that your chakras can become damaged. If you're going to direct golden healing light or Reiki or both on these areas and allow them to reform. And again, if you can't get an image of this, that's okay. Just set intention that that's what you're doing and it will still help. And your third eye chakra is really important that you have it good and strong, especially as you work on healing yourself and learning to speak the language of energy. It powers your ability to visualize. So you'll notice that if you do this often, it will help strengthen your ability to visualize. Angels, please help repair my third eye chakra. Thank you. There we go. Step 5. Calibrate. Now that you have cleared and repaired your third eye chakra, it is time to activate and elevate. Give your third eye chakra a good wash with golden healing energy and Reiki, and change the color of purple to the one you feel is best. So we're just going to give lots of golden healing light, just inside and out, just saturate it with Reiki and healing light. And brighten it up, give it some glow, and change the color to the one that feels best. There you go. Good job. You just cleared and repaired your third eye chakra. You can do this as often as you like.